So it is Leap Day. Happy Leap Day to all. Some kind of funny traditions with this day, a lot of little jokes and everything, but there's reason, there's a method to the madness as to why we even do this.
Yeah.
It's kind of neat. It's a little strange, and be warned, it involves a lot of math, so check it out. February 29th is our leap day. Well, why does that exist? Well, every year it means one full revolution around the sun. Simple enough, easy peasy. 365 days a year, right? Wrong. 365.2422 days is what we actually get. So when you actually look at that, 365.2422 minus the 365 days we're supposed to have, that means that's 5.8 hours we've missed every year, which means without a leap day in 100 years, our calendar would end up 24 days off. So instead of the first day of spring being on the 21st of March, it would be the 25th of February, which in Michigan just simply does not match. So the solution is to add one day every 4 years, right? Makes it nice and easy. A nice yearly average of 365 and a quarter days going through each year, right? Also wrong. That means we are still left with just a little bit left over. Just a couple of decimal places, 11.2 minutes, too much each year, which means if that were to happen, in 100 years our calendar would still be off by 18 hours. Well, by hopscotch rules, you skip a leap year if it falls on the start of a century, unless that year is divisible by 400. 2000, for instance, was one of those years. That gives us a yearly average of 365.2425 days, a whole lot closer to that actual number we had before, 0.2422 versus 0.2425. That leaves us with a grand number of 25.9 seconds that we have just too much of each year. But that also means that it would take 3,333 years for us to end up being one day off.
Ooh, I'm glad we got the expert crunching those numbers here.
So what I got from that was the math wasn't mathin', so now we have a February 29th.
Thanks, Julius Caesar, for that one.
That was fascinating, though. Thank you for breaking that down like that.
Don't ask me, because I would have just been like that kid that said, I like turtles.
Yeah.
Wait, no,
I
we're
like
talking about the numbers here. What does this mean?
I got to be the bosses let me be a very nerdy friend.
Well, we
like
appreciate it.
Yes.
Thank you.